Hello, brother and sister. Welcome back to my channel, Techno Tutorial. Now, I will review about marine traffic ship tracking app for Android. Okay, marine traffic display the real-time position of ship and yet worldwide connect to the large network of land-based area server. The app confirms most major ports and shipping routes. You can install this app from Play Store. You can search marine traffic and you install. Okay, now I will open this app, Marine Traffic. Marine Okay, welcome to Marine Traffic. Let's get started. Use the search bar to find any vessel or port. Group your top vessel into a fleet and create notification to track them. Switch between all ships and my fleet to view either global traffic or just your vessel. Enjoy animate weather maps with live wind and 48-hour wind forecast. Well done, you did it. You've just completed the tutorial. You can create account. Click create your account or you choose done. I try create account. Okay, you can continue with Google account or you with different email. Now I try with continue with Google account. Click continue with Google. Okay, you country, you search region. Okay, checkbox save. Now you can active your location. Is location or GPS. Yes, you must turn on. Okay, enable location. This position ship in world in Europe, in Asia. Okay, I will go to Indonesia. You can find another ship in Malaysia, in Malakasi. Wow, crowded. Okay, this red symbol, tanker, cargo, 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 fishing, yes, fishing ship. Okay, you can find another ship. You must click this point or symbol. Uh, tugboat, tanker, cargo, fishing, cargo. Okay, any tanker ship, cargo ship, or fishing ship or passenger ship. Okay, many ship in sea. So okay, thanks very much to for your watching, and next video I will explain about uh, marine traffic app.